Good morning, everyone. How are you? What did we study in our last class? Did you remember? Before recapping the lesson, shall I ask some questions to you? Who wanted to become big and strong? The little monkey wanted to become big and strong. Who heard the little monkey? A wise woman heard the little monkey. What did she give to the little monkey? She gave a magic wand. Which animal have the long neck? Giraffe. Which animal have the trunk? Elephant. Which animal have the stripes on their body? A zebra. Let's summarize the story so far by seeing this animation video again.
I want. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop. His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want strips like those, he says. Whiz! Little monkey has strips all over his body, just like the zebra. He is very, very happy.
He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Mother, he cries, help! A monster! That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like an zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful, he says. I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Little Monkey went to the river to try out his new trunk. Then he saw his reflection in the water. He saw a monster in the water. He shouted. He cried out, Mother, Mother, a monster. What do you mean by a monster? An imaginary, ugly looking creature. That is monster. Okay, a monster. Okay, see, his mother said, that is not a monster, that's you. You wanted a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes of a zebra as you wished. The little monkey was worried and cried and wished to become same like a little monkey again. There was a pop, a bang, and a whiz. The little monkey turned to himself again. Then he was very happy and threw the magic wand to the river. He never ever wanted to be anyone else again and be himself only. Let's hear the
Let's
summary.
know the summary of this story. This is the story of a monkey who wants to become strong. One wise woman came to know about this. She gave one magic stick to the monkey to fulfill all his wishes. First of all, he wants to become a giraffe, then he wants to become an elephant, and at the last, he wants to become a zebra. All his wishes are granted. At last, When he comes along the river, he finds himself looking so scary. He felt so bad after watching his face. He told his mother that he was happy being himself. Then he wishes to become monkey again. His wish was granted and he became monkey again. He threw away his magic stick.
What is the moral of the story? Everyone is unique and beautiful. We should not imitate others. Be yourself. Be yourselves. Read the lesson 2 3 times and send the audio clips. Okay, dears? Bye bye.